Hello everyone, today I am here to share another advanced structure, and this advanced structure is not only used in English newspaper but also used in high level conversation. So make sure watch the video till the end, grab this advanced structure in your dictionary so that you can use this advanced structure while having a conversation to each other. And this advanced structure is nothing to do with means कोई लेना देना नहीं, कोई मतलब नहीं. And before nothing to do with we must use has, have or had or will have according to the tense. Have or has is used in present situation and had used in a past situation or will have used in a future situation. So let's see some examples so that it will be very easy to understand. मेरा उस केस से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. It is a present situation, so I have nothing to do with that case. Or in another way I can translate it that have will be converted into do not have or does not have according to the subject, or nothing will be changed in anything. So I can say that I don't have anything to do with that case. मेरा उसके फेलियर से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. I have nothing to do with his failure or I don't have anything to do with that failure. उसका मेरे YouTube वीडियो से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. It is also a present tense, so he has nothing to do with my YouTube video or he does not have anything to do with my YouTube video. मेरा उसके बिजनेस से कोई लेना देना नहीं था. It is a past tense, so I had nothing to do with his business or I did not have anything to do with his business. मेरा उस लड़की से कोई मतलब नहीं है, चाहे वो मेरे प्रपोजल को एक्सेप्ट करेगी या नहीं करेगी. इट इज़ ऑल्सो ए प्रेजेंट टेंस, सो आई हैव नथिंग टू डू विथ दैट गर्ल वेदर शी विल एक्सेप्ट माई प्रपोजल और नॉट, और आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग टू डू विथ दैट गर्ल वेदर शी विल एक्सेप्ट माई प्रपोजल और नॉट. मेरा उसके सक्सेस से कोई लेना देना नहीं होगा. इट इज़ ए फ्यूचर टेंस, सो आई विल हैव नथिंग टू डू विथ हिज सक्सेस or I will not anything to do with that success. मेरा उस क्राइम से कोई लेना देना नहीं था. It is a past tense, so I had nothing to do with that crime or I did not have anything to do with that crime. We can also use in the interrogative sentence like क्या तुम्हारा मेरे वीडियो से कुछ लेना देना है. It is a present tense, so do you have anything to do with my video? क्या तुम्हारा उसके बिजनेस से कुछ लेना देना था. It is a past tense, so did you have anything to do with his business? मेरा उसके फेलियर से कोई लेना देना नहीं था. I had nothing to do with his failure. मुझे उस लड़के से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, चाहे वो अपना होमवर्क करे या ना करे. I have nothing to do with that boy whether he complete his homework or not, or I do not have anything to do with that boy whether he will complete his homework or not. So let me revise what is nothing to do with. So nothing to do with change according to the anything to do with and according to the subject or according to the according to the subject it will be changed. Like मेरा तुम्हारा फ़ोन से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, तो I have nothing to do with your phone or I do not have anything to do with your phone. So I hope you have got something through this video and you might have understood the concept of nothing to do with. So make sure after watching this video try your own sentences so that you can learn and you can remember for a long time, and we will meet in a next video. If you find this information quite useful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We will meet in a next video. And before ending this video, because today is a very special day and this is a Vishwakarma Puja, so wish you happy and safe Vishwakarma Puja. Enjoy your day. I am also going to enjoy my day by flying a kite. So are you also going to enjoy your day by flying a kite? So write it down in the comment section. We will meet very soon. Goodbye. Have fun.